Television rating point (TRP) is very important in television sector, and some people are trying to raise with the support of money. Yesterday, 4 people are arrested by Mumbai police in case of spotted a major racket of gaming television rating points or TRP, where 3 channels Republic TV, Fakt Marathi and Box Cinema contending that the manipulated audience numbers were crucial because they directly translated into advertising revenue. Police said families, including those residing in slums, were paid rupees 400 to rupees 700 a month to keep these channels switched on. An illiterate person also kept the English channels continuously on at home. According to the latest TRP ratings, Republic Bharat is the most watched English language news channel. Republic Bharat is an Indian Hindi language news channel with slogan Rashtra ke naam. Arnab Goswami is the owner and editor-in-chief of Republic Bharat TV. In April 2020, it was reported that Arnab Goswami's own Hindi show Puchta Hai Bharat Arnab Ke Saath became the #1 Hindi news show in its slot. Republic Media Network plans to launch news channels in all major Indian languages and will expand its news operation globally. Republic Media Network has aired The Ultimate Proof, which narrates the lies in the case of the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput death and silenced the suicide theorist. The police said Hansa and BARC complained after they spotted unusual trends in viewership. The crime branch on Thursday also arrested the proprietor of Fakt Marathi, Shirish Shetty, and owner of Box Cinema, Narayan Sharma, Vishal Bhandari, a former employee of Hansa Research. In same case, after these, all Republic responded in its statement and it would file a criminal defamation case against Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh. Now we have to see which kind of action is going to be taken by higher authorities, because it is very important to stop these kinds of bribery from our society and country. It would be a good lesson for all news channels and journalists, and apart from that, everybody is demanding neutral journalism in our country.
This investigation was started after we received a complaint from Hansa, which is the agency which works with BARC, which measures the TRP ratings of all the different channels. And as you all very well know, TRP ratings actually directly translates to revenues. The advertising revenues are directly related to the TRPs of a particular channel. So once we got this complaint from Hansa that there were some ex-employees of Hansa who were leaking out the confidential data of the barometers which were installed for meeting TRPs, and these were being manipulated. So thereafter we started our investigation. A case was registered. One ex-employee of Hansa was first arrested, and one led to the other. One more employee was arrested. Some cash and some amounts were recovered from the banks. And what came out, that these people on behalf of different channels were paying the households to run that particular channels for a long period of time while they were home, while they were not home. And the amount being paid to each household was about 400 to 500 rupees.
In his desperation to go to the media, in his absolute desperation to go to the media, has made up facts. BARC has not mentioned Republic TV in any single statement. And that is the truth. Now, if that is the fact, then the question that you must ask is, why is Parambir Singh going and trying to threaten us? He says he will close my channel. He says he will close my accounts. Parambir Singh, unlike you, I have led a transparent life. You have no...
Arvi Singh reporting from Patna, ATN Live, India.